Now I'm going to go against my nature and ask you to like this video before you've even watched it, and I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my long-standing channel and make a comment, even if it's on how I speak posh for a woodworker. My name is Jeremy Broon, and Evolution has just sent me a cordless fan to review. It's not the first Evolution tool I've tried out, and I have to say I'm impressed with the brand so far, but any review is only worth its salt if it's critical. So, it uses the Evolution 18-volt lithium-ion battery system, which uses a rapid charger. The fan has two settings, and I must say both seem fairly powerful, if a little noisy on the high setting, but I haven't compared it to other fans, and it's not excessive, even on this high setting. And in a workshop it wouldn't matter, but perhaps worth mentioning when using in a domestic setting, it might be just a little noisy. I use the fan during a period of hot weather in England, and let's say straight away, if your workshop is really hot and you are gluing up, a fan like this is absolutely essential. And the fact it's cordless is, well, it's a no-brainer. I remember in the hot summer of 1976, my Cascamite glue was going off in the pot within a few minutes, so you can imagine that would mess up a job. Now, I used the fan in my living room and at a distance and was impressed with its efficiency. It's a big fan and it's lightweight. A little cramped to get your hand around the grip, but it does the job, and the head tilts. You can mount it on a floor, it has rubber feet, and also you can mount it vertically on a wall or using its hook, so it's really versatile. Now, I used the smallest 2 amp hour battery, which took 32 minutes to charge, and I first ran the fan on the high speed setting. It cut out after 1 minute 54 seconds, and then I got another 2 minutes, and so I would say the fan runs for just under 2 hours at the high setting. After the first test run, I noticed the battery still indicated full, but when I removed it and then reinserted it, it showed 1 bar. Incidentally, it's never a good idea to totally drain a lithium battery. Now, on low setting, it ran for 4 hours, 59 minutes. Wow. Then another 5 minutes. I had to interrupt the test as I was called away for half an hour, so maybe the battery recovered slightly when I continued the time test. Perhaps someone can comment if they are knowledgeable on this complex technology. Now, the build quality of this plastic and tubular steel construction is really good. I'm a designer myself, so I can appreciate the challenges of making something strong and light in plastic, especially with these thin veins. So what else is there to say? I think this is an excellent product and reasonably priced, and of course it's sold as a bare unit. Well, thanks for watching, and keep cool.